up, pineapples? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Luly Star, and today I bring you guys the taste buds. I bring to you the deliciousness. I bring to you Martha Stewart. I am just kidding. But for real, today I'm going to bring you guys a video that is completely different to what I do in my channel because it is dedicated to Valentine's or Galentines. For those of you who don't have a significant other, that is not an excuse to not celebrate it. So today I'm going to teach you guys these recipes that are super quick and easy for those of you who want to do something special for that special somebody. Could be your best friend, your mom, your sister, your grandmother, your boyfriend, your husband. You name it, you give it to them. So if you guys want to know these super quick and delicious recipes, sweet to the palate, then just keep on watching. This recipe, we're gonna need a signature pineapple supreme. So you guys can get this at any supermarket. It's super easy to find it. I like to call this the upside down pineapple cake. And you're gonna need 3 eggs, a butter stick. I like to use this one because it's good for baking. You're gonna need sliced pineapples. You could use any canned pineapples. Maraschino cherries. We're gonna need some cherries. We're gonna need cups to put inside the container where we're gonna put all the cake mix, and a cup of water. So first we're gonna do the eggs. We're gonna need 3 eggs. Then we're gonna add a cup of water. We're gonna measure 1/3. Alright, so you're gonna make sure that is 1/3 right there. And then we're gonna add that to our mix. And every time I add an ingredient, I like to whisk everything. I don't think you have to, but I like to, you know, just for safety. So this is how we're gonna do this. Alright, so now we're gonna add the cake mix. I'm gonna add this by parts because this could get messy, but I like to add this little by little.
This is me putting in the oven.
Second recipe, we're gonna need tissue paper. some sprinkles, the main ingredients, strawberries, and chocolate to melt. And of course, we're gonna need some sticks so we can do our bouquet. So let's get started. Make sure you have a container where to put your roses to stand. I was gonna get styrofoam, but I forgot, so I have this container where I put roses. I got it at a wedding, so I'm gonna use this. It's gonna come in very handy. You're gonna need your strawberries to be room temperature. You're gonna grab them like so. So you wanna put it on the side like this. Dip it in chocolate. This is so good. Try to cover as much as you can from the strawberry. This. The last one is gonna be Rice Krispie treats in shapes of hearts, so covered in white chocolate. So these are the ingredients. We're gonna need Rice Krispies, cookie cutters, food coloring, butter, and marshmallows. I decided to go with strawberry marshmallows so they can be already pink. So yeah, let's get started. We're gonna melt the butter at a very low heat. And I think once I did this when I was like in middle school, so I don't remember how it works. But I think once the butter is melted, then you can add the marshmallows. I think that's how it works. So we're gonna put it in this flat surface. I'm gonna add a little bit of this so it doesn't get like stuck to it when I'm trying to get it out. So while this settles and cools down so we can cut it, food coloring and this white chocolate that we have left from the strawberries, and we're gonna do little by little, a little longer. And I think one dot was enough because it's a nice soft pink. So let me put it back in the microwave so you guys can see. Right now it looks like a light pink. I'm not sure if you guys can see it on camera, but it's a very light pink. I did 3 drops of red food coloring, and it gave me the nice soft pink that I wanted. Make sure. Now we're just gonna cut the little hearts, and we're gonna try to get the most out of this. Okay. it looks like a little heart. Like that. They're still a little bit warm, so you want to make sure that you fully let them get cold. Now that these are done, I'm gonna put them in the freezer, except for this one. I don't know what happened there, for a couple of minutes. Right, my little pineapple. So this is the final product of all these goodies. We have the bouquet of roses. I did white chocolate. I did white chocolate. Same ones, white chocolate with black chocolate, and then some of them I decorated. It's pretty easy. As you guys can see, you guys can follow the steps by yourself. I did the pineapple, upside down pineapple, and then I also did the Rice Krispies that are so yummy. So for your next Valentine, don't forget guys to this is so good. This is my favorite part. So for Valentine's, don't forget to make your special one a little something that they can eat and enjoy. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.